Pit, pat. Pit, pat. The rain danced on the rotting windowsill. Darkness devoured the radiant light of the morning sun. Only silence was present besides the tapping of the rain. Everything's scary when it's dark and alone. I woke up to the dancing rain. Its hypnotic pattern shattered at the sound of gentle breathing. My parents, I thought. They were having their daily cup of coffee. The intoxicating aroma beckoned to me. I glided into the kitchen. Frozen. I gazed into the sunken eyes of my dad. The gloomy sky matched his monotonous expression. I averted my gaze towards my mother. She stared into the blank space. Waving my shaking hands in their faces, the rain continued. Suddenly, the basement door swung open. "Josiah!" My hopes soared. Maybe my brother would understand what's wrong. I dashed down the stairs. His face was the same as my parents'. I yelled. No response. I screamed. Nothing. I poked. No change. Could they see me? Hear me? Did I even exist? It's like I was air. I was there. You just don't notice or realize its actuality. The rain was a magic spell. It had the power to make someone totally lonely in the presence of people. 2 hours later, sitting on my comfy bed, I cried. Never had I felt so alone, yet the never-ending rain accompanied me. The door squeaked. I didn't mind. The house would rattle in the gusty wind on stormy nights. Pit, pat. Pit, pat. That's all I heard. Pit, pat. The rain slowly grew louder. Pit, pat. Alerted, I swiveled my head around. Nothing. Was I expecting something? The constant pattern of these falling droplets was driving me crazy. My mind was playing tricks on me. Cruel and twisted tricks, if it were true. The endless drone of rain trapped me in what seemed like a separate dimension. I could see, but couldn't be seen. I could hear, but couldn't be heard. I could feel, but couldn't be felt. That is what true loneliness is. That is what I was trapped in. Pit, pat. Pit, pat.